I need to communicate to the foreigners. Because of that reason, if I don't have the idea of the English language, I don't communicate with others. It is a really tough question for me. If my father see that, he will punish me.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. I'm your examiner and I'm going to take your speaking level test.
Yes,
I hope that you are ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, how are you?
So I'm pretty good. And how are you, sir?
I'm also pretty good.
Yes.
And where are you from?
So I'm from Chattogram.
Chattogram. And so what do you do?
So I'm a student.
Student.
Yes, sir.
As far as I know, you have already passed ACC exam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what's your result?
Sir, my result is 5.00, GPA 5.00.
5.02 GPA 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. And what's your next dream?
Sir, my next dream is a fluent speaker in Rahat English here.
Okay.
Because of that reason, my father cherished a dream that I would be a BCS level officer.
Okay.
So English is essential for me. So I try to be a good speaker.
Speaker.
Yes, sir.
So how many members do you have in your family?
So I have 6 members in my family. Because of that reason, we have a joint family. We live with our aunt. Yes, sir.
What does your father do?
My father is a fire officer.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife. Whenever I read in class 6, he was paralyzed because of a mind stroke.
Mind stroke.
Yes.
I would like to know this. So what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read Rahat English spoken fighter book, as well as practice the computer learning in languages.
Languages.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you think you are a hardworking person?
No, sir.
No.
I didn't think so. So I'm a very lazy boy and I'm an overconfident boy. Because of that reason, I don't like to book my knowledges, and I speak as well. Yes, I feel.
As well as. So now you can speak in English after coming here.
Yes, sir.
And how do you feel?
Sir, before of coming in here, I'm a full adult student and I'm too much weak in English. After coming here, Rahat English, my language is developing day by day.
Day by day. So you believe that, right?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No, sir, I'm not. A little bit nervous, but I try to get it right off it.
Try to be easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is, sir, it's called dates. In Arabian, dates. It's my favorite fruit.
Fruit, okay. What do you love eating?
So I love eating most probably, sir, biryani.
Biryani.
Yes, sir.
Can you cook biryani?
No, sir. I learned it from my mother.
Okay, you will learn.
Yes, sir. But I try again and again, but I failed.
You tried?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are you learning English?
I want to be a BCS cadet officer. And it is essential for me that learn English. In every sphere of our life, in the Bangladesh, English is must. As I would like to go to the abroad, there is also essential to learn English. I need to communicate to the foreigners. Because of that reason, if I don't have the idea of the English language, I don't communicate with others. So to make the communication to the foreign countries, I need to learn English. Because of I'm learning English. Sir.
Okay, I got it, your point. Do you love traveling?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. It is pleasure for me.
Okay.
Because
have you been anywhere?
Yes, sir. As I'm living Chattogram, I make a different kinds of travels like adventure in Sajak valleys, as well as the Chandranath Pahar in Sitagunto.
You went?
Yes, sir.
And how was your trip?
It's more pleasure for me.
So it's more pleasure.
Yes, sir.
So how many times, basically?
I made it most probably, sir, 3 or 4 times.
We were going to Cox's Bazar.
Yes, sir. It's the near to me from the Chattogram. There is my aunt's house in Cox's Bazar.
Cox's Bazar.
Yes, sir. Near the Sugandha Sea Beach.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, sir. As you know that, I'm not a bookish person, but I love to read books. I will read a lot of books, like autobiographies of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, The Ancient Mariner of the John Keats, and more kinds of books, sir. I love the autobiographies and the adventure books.
Adventure books. Do you love watching movies?
Sir, it is a really tough question for me. If my father see that, he will punish me.
You'll get punishment, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can say that. So do you love playing game?
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure. So it's whenever I play, I think that my pain will reduce mostly.
Could I know your full name?
So my full name is Chaudhary Faisal bin Farid. And Farid is my father's name. But all of my family members know as me Rahat.
Rahat.
That's given by my father.
Would you like to say something about your father? Your father has sent you to learn English.
Yes, sir. Actually, my father is a fully motivating person for me. Whenever I break down, he support me like a wise father. Yesterday, whenever I placed the third position, he was too much happy. But I say that I'm too much disappointed that I don't bring any prize for you. It's not a matter how many times you defeat it, but you're trying. It is enough for me. You're trying.
You're trying. You'll do better.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My father is too much motivating person for me. I love him very much. Any other person in the world is.
Okay. That means your father is a real hero in your life.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Faisal. I'm very happy.